Are you guys ready for JB? Oh, you guys see that? What is that? There's a bigger one coming from back there. It's like a military style. Crazy. You know what? Yesterday, there were like 3 kindergarten girls, and they were in the front row. And when he did that, I heard the girl go, I think there's a real helicopter somewhere. She's looking around, and I was thinking, if she really believes there's a helicopter in this gym, she probably thinks there's a horse running by outside. And if there was a horse running by outside, he's probably running away from maybe like a lion or something. Whoa. Although he could be running away from a monkey. Yeah, there could be a big dog. Whoa. There could be a little dog. Whoa, a big dog. There could be a duck. No. The duck would be talking. He'd be walking into puddles like this. He'd be like, look how like this. He'd be jumping around. Although there could be a lot of things out there. There could be like a big boat, like an ocean liner. Whoa. Wait, they should try that sound. Do it one more time. Here, you guys try that one. Ready? You gotta get lower than that. Ready? Show it one more time. One more time. Ready? That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I like that. I mean, there could be a lot of things out there. There could be a chipmunk out there. No. The kind of chipmunk I see out there, he's got a red sweater on. Wait a minute. Has anybody ever seen a movie called The Sequel before? Oh, man. What are the chances of that? Now, this guy could probably do like a car chase. Wait, is there anybody here who wants to learn how to do that at the end of the show? Oh man. You know what? I think we'll have time at the end to do a little instructional. Tutorial, yeah. Alright. You know what though? Show them your instruments. I mean, everybody knows you play the drums. Although, this guy, he sounds like he's swallowing a trumpet sometimes. He could have an electric guitar going on. I saw him play the bongo drums one time. Although, this one time, we did a show outside of Waterloo, and it was kind of like a lot of farms around, and this one guy's like, can you play the cowbell? Cowbell? But he just didn't play the cowbell, he put a rap beat behind it. Before you go any further, you know what we should do? Maybe you should give them one song, because we were in Ottawa a couple of weeks ago, and when we stayed in the hotel, we always have these video game tournaments when our shows are done, and he said that he can beat me in any video game, and I said, wait a minute, I've got a game that he hasn't even heard about before, because I'm kind of old school. Back from 1986, there's one game, these guys probably don't even know about it. I used to play it all the time, it's called Super Mario Brothers. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it. What? You still do that, right? Wait a minute. So we're playing Super Mario Brothers, and this guy, imagine playing video games with a guy like this. He doesn't let the TV make any sound effects. He does all the sound effects with his mouth. Yo, show him Super Mario Brothers. I'm gonna take this off.
So I turn down the TV, turn up the mouth.